Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce how to use Blender to visualize the gesture. The version of the Blender we use is 3.4.1. Let's open the Blender first. And you can delete these things. And import the BVH from the desktop. For example, here we use the beat, and you can adjust the scatter here. And you can press the shift at F5 and shift at F8 and add the sound. And shift at F5. And you can change the word color. And click this button. To render the video, you can change the framework. We use the 30 FPS. That's because the frame time, you can use 1 second to divide this. And pick the video encoding FPG4 and MP3. And you can adjust the width and height. Then add view. And wait some time, it's a little slow. However, I stop here and the video, you will get a video here. That's it. But you should wait for the process. And how to use the specific module, such as this module. For this and this, you can use the Python to realize the skeleton, and for this you can buy the better avatar from the Blender market. And you should arrange the mesh, this man to the skeleton defined by yourself. It's hand designed, and this is the And oh, that's it. We use this spring paper, also used in tree model. And for this, Ubisoft model is used in ZX, and this purple paper is used in tree model too. And there are so many Viking standard avatars. You can download the model from the Maximo. They are for free and they are all T-pose. Here we use the character 9 and the Viking for an example. First we import the IPS. Oh, this one. Okay, and here we use the Outreach Pro. And this software is you can find the this, and we will share the this document in the GitHub project. We remap. We choose this skeleton and click this skeleton and click this and build the bottom list. Or you should okay. You should pick the you should choose the skeleton, not the mesh. Yeah, okay. And build the bottom list and set up a route and clip the retarget. The total length of this generated gesture is 320, and we click the OK and wait for some seconds. Okay, here is the result, and here are some key of the video, and we can see.
Not that tired. Since I just started.
And this is a more easy way you can hide the bounce. Okay.
Since I just started my job, I think it's very important to get a good sleep.
And you can use the same way to blend the animation. You can animation a bench by writing the script in Python. But this is a tough project. I usually will realize for demo one by one. And another thing is the IPS download from the Maximo. I think they looked better. and there are some clothes on it. Similarly, we fade the mesh and fade this mesh and choose the scan again. Now, if you click the build and bomb list, you can find there isn't the corresponding bones. So you should click the shift and click this. And change the name, for example, delete them to let the Blender and let the outrage load. They are the same thing. That's a retacting work. You can delete the name one by one. And once again, you click the build bomb list. Here is the hips. And if you delete this, in the beginning it's neck, and build again it's the head. So you delete them and retagging the work. And it's for the bit data set. However, if you want to use the other data set such as the X, let's find a good. Yes, let's use this for example. Okay, this skeleton is borrowed from the ZX. You can press G and XYZ axis to drag the avatar. It's very easy to use, and if you directly use the same way before, it will occur error because the rest pose of the ZX is different from the bit or the maximum. They are for the Viking standard, they are the T-pose, but for the ZX, they are looks like a 9. So you should run the BVH to APIs by the Ubisoft. You can see them in the official project in the GitHub, and you will get the generated APIs. However, if you directly import the APIs, it will occur an error. So you may use this better APIs exporter to import the ZX generated by the official code, the APIs format. It's a little slow, please pay attention. And if you want to visualize the avatar, both using face and gesture is will be a little difficult because there isn't many avatars both combine the face and gestures. You can use the beta dataset. To generate the face, blend shape, and the gesture. And the no method realize the face. However, it's difficult to realize the face and the gesture in the same avatar. There is also using the Python in the Blender. Okay, let's see whether it's if you use the data set besides this, there isn't always a code to count BVH. Because you may use the motion builder or Maya to do the retargeting work to retarget the reset position to the T pose or A pose or any other the specific position. And this is the result generated by the ZX. And this
relaxing. And I think I'll go shop.
after the convert, it have the same pose, but the reset position of the converted pose is the T pose. So you can use the auto-reach to do the same process before to remap the generated gesture into the avatar.